Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to search by file type in File Explorer. All you need to do is first come here, click on search, okay? And when you're searching for something, you just want to type this in, ext, and then a colon. So this is extension. What kind of extension do we want? If we want PDF, just type in PDF and just press enter. And you'll only see the PDFs, okay? If you want PNGs, same thing, right? If you want a document, Word document, you can go ahead and do for that one as well. Now, let me show you another thing you can do. So under search, here are search tools. You can toggle type, and we'll basically be doing a specific type. Let's see what they have. They do have documents as well. They have folders, they have pictures, right? Videos. Let's do document. And here you'll be seeing all the documents. We have Word documents, docx. We have Excel as well. As you can see, we have .txt, PDFs, PowerPoints, right? So many different options you can come here and choose from or use the extension. And it's really that easy and simple.